In today's video, I am going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Notion. If you've ever squinted at a dense database or needed to make text larger for a presentation, adjusting your zoom is the quickest way to make Notion more comfortable and readable. I'll show you the fastest keyboard shortcuts and a smooth mouse-based method, so you can pick whichever feels most natural. Let's start with the quickest option, keyboard shortcuts. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl and the plus key to zoom in. On a Mac, press Command and the plus key. Some keyboards require you to hold Shift to get the plus symbol. And that's fine, just make sure the plus action is triggered. Each press nudges the zoom level up, so blocks, text, and database columns appear larger and easier to read. To zoom out, use Ctrl and the minus key on Windows or Linux, or Command and the minus key on a Mac. Tap it a few times to step down the size until the page feels comfortable again. If you ever want to snap everything back to the default view instantly, press Ctrl-0 on Windows or Linux, or Command-0 on Mac. That brings you right back to 100%, which is perfect if the interface starts looking too big or too tiny after a few adjustments. These shortcuts work the same way whether you are in the Notion desktop app or running Notion in your browser. They affect how you see the page on your device without changing the actual content for anyone else. So it's a safe way to tailor the view to your eyes without altering the document for your team. If you prefer using a mouse or trackpad, here is another fast method. Hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac. Then scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in or down to zoom out. On a trackpad, keep holding Ctrl or Command and scroll with 2 fingers. This feels very natural and gives you fine control, especially when scanning long notes, stepping through a board, or adjusting your view while screen sharing. Make small adjustments to keep layouts tidy and database columns readable. Quick recap before we wrap. Zoom in with Ctrl++ on Windows or Linux, or Command++ on Mac. Zoom out with Ctrl- or Command-. Reset anytime with Ctrl-0 or Command-0. Or hold Ctrl or Command and scroll to fine-tune on the fly. That's all you need to move through Notion comfortably at any size. Try it now on any page. Find the zoom level that works for you and enjoy a clearer, more focused workspace. Thanks for watching.